morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening. It really depends on the place you're watching me from. On today's video, it's another special video, guys. I'm driving from home. It was late night a little bit. I woke up, took my daughter to school, prepared my other boy, went to school. So yeah, just like that. Hey, how are you doing? Long time no see. This time I'll be driving all the way from the village to Nairobi City. What am I going to do in Nairobi City, guys? It's another special and a secret agenda. Anyway, I'm in a place called Kaplong. And on over here it shows you UK, England, London. Am I going to pick a special guest? As I told you the other day, that this one, it's like a Uber. It's like a special car for hire with a special driver. The defensive driver who learns defensive driving. So guys, this day today, please, I want to ask you or urge you to subscribe, to like, share, and literally leave us a comment. Let me know your thought. What do you think about this? And also, you'll be enjoying some amazing, breathtaking views. And also, through this thrilling journey that we are heading to the capital city of Kenya, that's Nairobi, Kenya, you'll be able to enjoy the tall skyscrapers. I know at your spaces or at your place where you come from, you have taller than ours. But of course, ours, we are proud because this Nairobi has been regarded as the capital of Africa. If you really love that, give this video a thumbs up, man. Give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs up, a thumbs up, a thumbs up, a thumbs up, man. So your village boy, Claude Joseph, all the way driving to the city for the first time. Let's go check what's going on around, man. We'll be cruising. I'll be sharing with you what's going on around with our problem box. We call it Probox, the problem box. But it's one of the best. The reason why it was named as the Probox, it's a pro. It's a box that is pro, you know. It's a box on 4-wheel. A very nice, amazing, great pro box. The problem box. No, man. Because this one, if you see somebody killing an 1NZ engine of a Toyota Probox, that guy can kill even someone with his bare hands. Because these cars, low maintenance, even if they are with some problems, they just like, it's like a Korean interior girl, you know. How can I say? It's an African Korean interior girl that whether you beat her, whether you do what, she will still remain with you. That's the same art of a Probox. Same art of a Probox, you know. Same art of a Probox car in Kenya. I don't know why the Japanese decided to create this. It's a mini pickup because it's a multi-purpose car, you know. I don't want to just say a lot because I'm not a guy who can give a very good review of cars, but of course I can tell which car is this, I can tell which engine is this, I can tell the specifics of your car, like, you know. Alright guys, I'm heading somewhere in Nairobi, and please check if you are in Nairobi, just DM. If you're in Nairobi, say hi, Claude, Kai, come say hi, come shake my hand, man. All will be well, all will be well. You know, sometimes you might see me here in the videos. Okay, somebody. So guys, I'm approaching a place known as Rongo. It's a nice place called Rongo. The rumble bumps are too big. Yeah. The rumble bumps, you know. So I'm approaching a place known as Rongo. This is how you see Rongo. That's the diversion that heads to Kisumu, Homa Bay, Kisumu, just all the way to Kakamega, Bungoma. That diversion over there. So let me show you how Rongo looks like. Okay. way, just like that, you'll be able to see. It's a busy town with very expensive cows. This is Rongo. Now this one is a diversion to Kisumu. But I always hate it because the road is not well maintained. The other side, it's not well maintained. No? This is the way bridge on the other side. On my left, on my right side, I think. Yeah. Rongo. A very nice area. Business located area. But the problem with that place sometimes is when it's far from my home. But if you want to enjoy fresh fish from not the one that have been done what we call like have been frozen to the fridge or have been added ice so that they can reach to our place. No, those are fresh from the lake. No, just in Sindo here, Sondu, all the way to this area, you'll enjoy a very nice yummy fish. You know, right? This county government, I want to do some stuff. County check. Let's see. It will be a lot to see. Definitely you'll enjoy. You will enjoy to see, check, and you know, not yet at the best views. Not yet. But over here, let's proceed. Check what's going on around. Alright? La Musica, enjoy. I'm approaching a certain space. Suneka. This is Suneka. Some few kilometers to Kisii town. You know? For those who will be asking you, where is Suneka? Here is Suneka. This is Suneka. You know? Very nice area. Look at the sky. The sky is telling you all about Mama Africa. We are now approaching the Kisii area, you know. This is what you call about tribes. So Kisii is one of the tribes that we have in Kenya. So we are approaching their cool, amazing zone. You know. Alright guys. Approaching Kisii itself. This guy's lost. I'm now approaching Kisii as Kisii itself now. Wow, la 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 la. Wemba. A beautiful town, a beautiful city called Kisii town. We are now in it, like that. Can see it from afar. That's how it looks like. Alright. Hey guys, I just stopped over here in Kisii just to do some fueling. Then I see what's going on. Just fuel. Just did what you call like fueling a little bit. I stopped by to do some fueling, and then now I proceed. I check on what's going on around. Just holy, you know. But I want them to wipe my screen. Then we see what's going on around. You know. All right. here, guys. We are in a certain place called Keroka. So this is Keroka itself. Keroka in Kikuria, in my language, means something that that leads, something that leads, like light. Keroka. So Keroka. So this is Keroka town itself, and to be honest, the moment it's a unique town also, with a lot of umbrellas for vending. Most of people here are vendors. They vend stuff, second-hand clothes. I think now from this place, when I'll be back, I'll be having some trees from that area. There's a Mazda CX-5. The car in front of me, it's always a Toyota, but this one is a Mazda Toyota. Ah, okay. So this is Keroka itself. We are still cruising. We are not going in a supersonic speed, but we are moving in a very nice speed, like a most recommendable speed. The most recommendable speed, not high, not low, just a moderate one. These buses that take people to Nairobi, you know. I've been looking if I can get someone on the road that heads to Nairobi, so that we can see, but not yet. But this one still is at Nyamira County, Keroka town, under Nyamira County. You know, we were to pass by in the middle of the city of Kisii town, but the road was closed. I don't know, maybe because of political issues, and we had a diversion, so we were heading towards the backstage of Kisii, you know. So yeah, we are passing around here. Let's proceed, guys. Now from here we'll be heading to Narok, something like that, all the way, you know. All right, see you. All right. This place is called Kaplong. It's the main diversion to Nairobi, and you can see how green it is. These people around here, they are nomads, you know. They keep animals like cows, and the cows that they keep are Frisians and Jerseys, you know. And you know the Frisians and Jerseys are very expensive to maintain sometimes. But anyway, we are cruising. One thing I love about this place is that they preserve trees, also indigenous trees. They do it very well. And the cold here in Kaplong, it's not just a joke. Kaplong is cold. That's why you see these animals are surviving, because the space is nice for that favors animal rearing, you know. Also those Frisians, Jerseys, yeah. It's very nice and a great space. We have like 5 hours to Nairobi from Kaplong, so we just have to go slowly, as no hurry, you know. As the marks or the road signs tells you, go slow, you go slow. 110, you go 110. 120, you go 120. But if you try to make yourself that you know, heavens is awaiting you. You know, you have a very free ticket. Very free ticket. But anyway, guys, we are proceeding pole. We are not yet there, but we have to go. All right. La Musica. Just arrived in another busy Maasai market. I think it's a busy Maasai market around here, and there's a crazy drivers, man. Too bad. Imagine, guys, let me give you a story, and that story should also reach the government. Me, I came hand in hand with a GK. with a GK Land Cruiser. We were just like this, hand in hand. The speed that the GK was using is the same speed that I was. And me, I maintain what we call like the road signs. So the GK went where it was 50 speed. Well, it's like sign says you should drive at 50. You know, the speed limit is 50. I slowed down to 50, almost like 40. Then it was like 50 now. When we reached to the traffic officers, they let the GK go, and then they let me there. Because I was like, I have exceeded with 2 kilometers per hour. And the GK was almost 80 plus. You can imagine that. It's not fair. Not fair at all, at all, at all, at all, at all. Imagine, guys, imagine. Yeah, I'm driving at my own speed, my own pace, that is maintainable. It's not violating any traffic rule. Because they saw GK is in front, they saluted it, and they never saluted my car. Why didn't they salute my car? Imagine. And we were hand in hand with them. Anyway, it's okay. We are approaching Narok to Mai Mahiu. When we approach Narok, we will again fuel. We see how things will go. And of course, slowly by slowly, things will go on well. It's the dry Maasai land. Very nice and great. You know? A very nice unit, this space. You see, like this double cabin. This double cabin Isuzu D-Max. We have come with it from long time, you know. They apprehended us. You see this car? It's crazy. Anyway, it's fine. This is Kenya. Imagine this is Kenya. This is Kenya. Maasai land. This is Maasai land. Maasai land. You know? The Maasai land no one will show you. No one will ever show you Maasai land. It's an amazing. I can believe the one that is from Maasai. But if you see people selling honey on the road, telling you that that is honey, it's not honey. It's literally molasses. I once bought honey when I was traveling from Eldoret, and I thought it's honey, only to find out that it was molasses. You know, squeezed the sugar, burnt well. Looks like honey, but the viscosity of it is so different. The sugar flow is faster, the molasses flow is faster, but the honey, its viscosity is just going down slow. It's heavy, you know. So these people played me big time, and I kept to realize that also they played me very big time, you know. But it's okay. This is Narok. We are now approaching, and it says there, I love Narok. And this is Narok. Naroko, Naro, Naroko, Naroko, Naro, Naroko, Naroko. Narok town itself. Now here we are in the middle. Like in a few minutes I'll be in Nairobi. and a few hours, like 2 hours from Narok to Nairobi. Even it's less than that, because me, I go well with permitted limit, you know. Naruko. So from here we, hey, that's yeah. Have you seen that? That's a Bentley. Oh, la. So you'll be able to see the great escarpments from this area. You know, around here, most of the tourists usually anchor here. You'll see a lot of tourist cars, the 4x4s, because Masai Mara from here. Oh, you see, man, just a speak of the devil. There they are. Look, another one. There it is. You know, they are all heading to Masai Mara. You know, a very nice area. We also have here, it's called Arise and Shine Hotel Narok. Hey. And also see Galitos. I think I can go eat something there. To chop something. If you can chop something from this area. Already the traffic jam, look. There is traffic. Oh my god, look. Oh my god, traffic. Crazy traffic. Narobu. Something like that. Alright guys, let's go. That's what you see. The crazy traffic jam. Somebody knocked a motorist down. Someone knocked a motorist down just around there. That's why you see the jam is too much. Too much. But the motorists look like this. It's just overlapping. Sometimes these motorists, they deserve to be knocked down completely. I'm a motorist too, but now sometimes people make crazy moves. You know, crazy moves. Look the way they are overlapping. Crazily. Alright. Crazy landscape. Crazy. Look at the road. Here you have to go slowly. This is the most dangerous area, most dangerous zone. This space, it falls cars like crazy, man. It overturns cars, this space. It's a crazy road. But if you are not careful, and also there's a lot of baboons around here. If someone is not careful, you know, sometimes things goes north balance. You see? There's some baboons around here. Baboons. Come on, man. They don't even fear the car. They are just like, you come, you see fire. Telling you, this road is crazy. You have to be very careful. This is now the starting of climbing lane, all the way to the other side of Mai Mahiu, the greatest escarpment. Look at those ancestors of ours. A lot of ancestors. Look. Look at that ancestor. Ancestor is running, ancestor. You have started the climbing lane, and this is what you see. the starting of climbing lane to the great escarpment, Mai Mahiu. Is it called Mai Mahiu? Let's read and see. Because sometimes people speak it or call it wrongly. Some call it Mai Mahiu. You know, the great escarpment. This is where is one of the most blind spots. You know, one of the craziest blind spots. This place, I passed this area when I was driving my motorbike to Mombasa. You know, I was driving my motorbike to Mombasa. This is why I came to know how to drive at this area. You know, starting of climbing lane. Alright. This guy of KCR is misbehaving on the road. You know, deep down we have 1,000+ feet on the other side. You know, we are driving on top of the hill. You know, and this is very tall, like literally tall. You know, we are concentrating. This place is crazy, man. Look, there's a car that missed the control on the other side and it went inside there. It's the most craziest part in Kenya. It's #1 killer, road killer, plus Salga. You see, here you have to measure, balance, and you see, hey, use all tactics. Now this is, we have like 50 kilometers to Nairobi. You know, let me take this off so that you can see the amazing space. You know? Oh no, there are big trucks making a lot of, oh no, it's crazy, dust. You know? Then this itself tells you do not overlap. But this guy's overlapping like crazy. Look, let's proceed with our journey. Pole pole. Here now, it's the most crazy part. You know, look at those trucks. They don't joke. They don't joke. And you literally see big baboons all over. Here you have to go with a smooth pace. You balance at least 10+ yards, at most 20, and you create space also for another person from behind. You know, look, that guy is, hey, there's some people up here on the trucks selling animals. Look, rough riders. Look, hey, where? I'm following the ass of this truck. When it overtakes, I'm there. See the big baboons. Baboon carrying. Child baboon. It's free to go. Let's go. Father baboon. Lot of baboons, you see? Another father baboon is up. Nairobi, Nairobi, Nairobi. This is Nairobi, guys. So we are in a highway. Nairobi Expressway, you know, going straight. Wherever we are, your boy CJ. You know, we are moving. Don't worry. Straight auto, you know. Nairobi, here we are, you know, cruising like crazy, like no man's business. One way. Concentration on a high notch, top notch, you know. I'll show you one of the amazing places, you know. Westlands, I'll show you. Alright, let's proceed. Let's concentrate in Nairobi. You know, Nairobi Expressway. Hello. People have donjo. People have arrived. But still not yet. We are proceeding to the city, the CBD itself, and then we'll see how things are moving. As in a coach, you know, it's telling you that people should arrive on time. People should arrive on time. Well, from the village, you know, I've arrived now. Thus we are driving on this all the way. Approaching the CBD, but not yet. This is the outskirts of the CBD, you know, Kabete area. Yeah man. That's our Nairobi. That is our Nairobi city. It's coming on its own, man. Cruising in these crazy matatus. Let us proceed. We are proceeding. This area, literally, a lot of wrong things goes around here. This area. Sometimes, when you're not careful, even your phone can disappear from the window. They call it butterfly. Your phone can just do a quick butterfly, you know. Not even less, but a quick butterfly. And it will just go. Things should be very careful while driving with your phone. And also, what you are doing should be better. You should master the art of changing the lanes from lane 1 to lane 2 to lane 3, you know, without violating the rules. It's called discipline, lane discipline. You know, if you don't have the lane discipline, then you'll be knocked or you'll knock. So there's a hip or bumper. Don't mind my car, okay? Yeah, go down and pole like that. We are approaching Westlands, the Poshi area. We are now approaching there. See some nice skyscrapers around here. Don't mind my car, guys, don't mind it. Yeah. So starting from this area, we are approaching Westlands. Just a revamp of the view of the city. Yeah man. First thing, the art of driving, art of life, and also discipline on the lane. Minus that, here people drive big machines, bwana. Hey, you see the total cleaning being done also. They're slashing the city. Alright, we are approaching this lane, or straight way, Wayaki way, Wayaki way, pole. Now here, you'll be able to see this area well. Be able to see this is a place called ABC. Nishushia ABC. They say alight me at ABC. This is ABC place. When you hear people telling you alight me at ABC, my Kenya. This is Kenya. This is my Kenya. Look at that, guys. Look at that. An amazing. Approaching this area. We are on Wayaki Way Street. That's the great city. Look at the city from afar. Do you even see it, guys? That's our city, Nairobi, Kenya. Look at the road. An amazing, beautiful, great tall skyscrapers. Let's proceed. I'm not using the expressway, so I don't want to pay. Let me use this other road. This one, if you use this one, you pay. It's called expressway, and I don't want to use it. Let me use this other side. No money to pay. I got no money to pay there. Let us proceed with this. Yeah, this one they have toll stations. Call them toll stations, so we have to use this. Let's use this route. The route for hustlers. But the other one, use the Nairobi Expressway. You definitely see an amazing view, but you have to pay for it. Let me maintain this road. You have to pay for it. Alright, guys, let me concentrate. Nairobi City with its traffic jam. So we are definitely on a traffic jam. So we have to maintain pole as we go. Pole. Like here you go slowly. If you make a slight mistake, you knock someone. And they'll not just spare you. No way. Nobody will spare you. No one. Only traffic will just come and rescue you. But the rest, problem too much. Too much problem. Yeah, it's you and your brakes. 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 You see now the vendors all over. a small space you are in. A small space you are in. No joke. At all. You know. Alright. There's music. There's music, but we have to go. Holy traffic jam. Nairobi. Let's go. Nairobi. Here we come, man. Nairobi. Here we come. Here we go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Nairobi. City of the brave too. Problem of being the big problem now. I wish I could have paid up here. You know the upper road is for pay. The downer roads you go. So now we are stuck here. You know, we are stuck at the traffic jam. Nairobi, your city. There's a certain hotel here called Kempinski. You know, a glorious hotel called Kempinski. This is a crazy guy. He has knocked me from behind. This dude, the truck, was almost knocking me. Almost. If I wasn't very careful. Hey, this is a crazy guy. Let's maintain our lane. Let's see what's going on. Alright. Guys, welcome for our new home for a day. I'm really tired. Driving from home. I arrived here very early. I had to do some. Sorry if you see some stuff in my eyes. Know that there's a lot of dust in the road. So welcome our new home for a day, and then from here you'll know what brought me in Nairobi. Actually, I secured this. It's a very nice room. You can say self-contained. Very nice. It has let me do some review. A Vitron television, very nice TV stand, your table, if you are a smoker you can smoke, a remote, artificial tree, a refrigerator, a food warmer or a microwave as people say so, your small place to cook, though not even cook, small cardboard of stuffs, your sugar and coffee from in there. You have running water, very nice running water, your little utensils for day. This comes with all the packaging from over here. You have nice cupboards, you can hang your clothes, though I never carried any clothes. Let me check on the washroom. The lights in, on, nice. Sorry guys. Nice washroom, clean. And right here is your boy CJ. Don't mind guys, that's how I always shoot my video, using the phone. Look, even the road was too dusty. Yeah, so a nice mirror. That one is but it's okay, that's how we do it. Even me, when I had an Airbnb, this is what we used to do, but I used to change it every single time when a customer comes because it disturbs, you know. Yeah, so that's your boy CJ on the mirror. Sometimes I love the mirror is clean, it's not dirty. Sometimes you find that it has a lot of stuffs, but this one very clean. Also have a running water. You have your soap, Vim. Yeah, it's not bad, very nice. This will be here for a day. Before I tell you Let me power off the light. Before I tell you how much it goes per day, rate this. What would you pay if you are the one staying in this Airbnb or in this home? You know, CJ home. And also, if you wish you will be coming to Nairobi and you want to stay, I'll connect you. Very nice, great, and amazing. Around here, you can see just a small quick tour. We have a very nice caution. We have water there. These are my shoes. A very nice trade shoes. Very comfy for riding or driving. Don't mind about them. Maybe if you'll be coming in Kenya or in Africa and then you pay a visit in our village, please bring me Skechers or North Face. Those are the best shoes. Only here that they sell expensive. The Skechers can go for over 20,000 or North Face can go over 20,000. If bring like low, not boots, the low Skechers like this or low North Face like this. They're very nice. Look at the threads, very nice. This one, the right one, has started to squeeze me, you know. So this one will be here for a day alone, solo, but you know what has brought me in Nairobi. Oh, I want to show you the view. Don't mind about my view. Wow, la 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 la. Look, you have the full view of this area. For those who understand Nairobi, they'll tell you where is here. Where is here? You can see the nice sunset or sunrise. The sunset scorching in the beautiful Nairobi city. But here we are at 10, 20, 30 minutes far away from the main city. 20 to 30 minutes far away from, like, you can drive with traffic, you can drive like half an hour, you know. But when you are here, you see an amazing view of this area. Very nice, very nice, very nice. And also on the other side, Aru, 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 Aru. Huh? You see us on the other side? Aru, Aru, nice. This room goes for a package of $20, and when you change it to Kenya, it goes up to 3K, you know. So it's a very nice area for a staycation. Let's say $20 for a night. You know, the good thing is that I wanted a place where it's secured and also a place where it has parking. You know, sometimes you can go to a cheap place or a place where it's not well secured. Then you wake up, you find that your wheels are not there, the car is on the stones, side mirror are not there, bumpers are not there, headlights, tail lights are not there. So you decided to choose to stay for a place for that $5 or less than $5, or let me say $10, and they don't have a parking where you can park your machine, and then you wake up in the morning, you find that things have been, you know, your car has been stolen, or the car has been stolen. It's crazy. It's a crazy English. You can say like, please comment down below. When a car is being taken some parts or being dismantled some parts by thieves, how do we say? Do we say the car has been stolen, or the parts of the car have been stolen, or there's a certain name I don't want to tell you, but please comment down below if you know that. That's an exam for you. And also an engagement to us all. So if you know that, please comment down below. When a car is stolen, some parts of the car stolen by thieves, unknowingly, that for you not knowing that your car has been stolen some parts, how do you call that process? Has the car been stolen or what? You know, it's crazy, man. Alright, guys. It was just like that. I want to say thank you so much for your prayers and also for watching this video to the end. Thank you for subscribing, liking, and sharing. I really love you all, guys, from the bottom of the heart, far away from the village. For those who expected me in the village, I'm in the city. I'm in the city. I'm in the city. But soon I'll head back in the village with good news. All right, subscribe if you're new, like, and bye bye guys. Bye guys.